Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video today on Chema Dedicated Video channel. Listen to me. If you are seeing this video now, pay attention. I want to show you how to, in the next few minutes, create a complete ebook using AI. And in this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So if you are seeing this video, even if you are part of those who are in our ongoing class about AI for educators or creating ebook with AI, or you are not part of it, with this particular video, you will start doing it. This video is quite different from what I have ever done. Yes. So I'm going to encourage you to just pay attention. You're going to sit. I want to do something that will shock you now. You see what we are going to do in this video. Now, in the course of telling you what to do, I will be pointing at, as I'm doing it, I'm showing you some things that you must have to have in your, having your WhatsApp group, having this, so that things can be easier for you. Now, if you're new to our channel, please, we encourage you to subscribe to this channel. We'll do a lot of stuff like this, training on EdTech, on AI, on so many things, on money-making opportunities for everyone. So this is a go-to when it comes to accessing the best of resources online. Now, let's go. The first thing I want you to do, please, possibly, have a word processing doc or whatever app on your phone, something like Google Doc or WPS or whatever. You have it, is there. Or whatever, whether WordPad or whatever. Now, also you can create a private WhatsApp group. I'm going to tell you why you need it, because you need to post all your whatever there before you start writing. You are getting it? As you are writing, you are pasting there before you're now pushing it over to that word processing pack where you're going to have your ebook fully designed. Now, let's go. Creating ebook in 10 minutes. Let's go through this with AI. I'm going to use ChatGPT, so you're also going to download that and follow through in what I'm going to do now. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. Watch me. Your prompt matters. The first thing I want to tell ChatGPT, I say, ChatGPT, please help me generate different sections of a standard ebook. Yes, remember, I am the man here. I'm the human here. ChatGPT is just a robot. I'm still more intelligent. It just want to help me. So there's some things ChatGPT will still talk about. I'm not going to take them. I will just select some. So, but I'm going to give you the right prompt. So I tell ChatGPT, please select different, the different sections of a standard ebook. Now, having said that, look at what ChatGPT gave me. Can see all of this. You are seeing it. Title page, copyright page, dedication page, table of contents, forward. Forward is usually written by another person. You understand? It's a kind of attestation by a superior person. Someone who knows, okay, this particular book, I know what this guy has done, and it's always good. But it's not compulsory. In a real paperback, all of these things are possible. But when it comes to ebook, some things here may not go. I'm going to use title, I'm going to use copyright, education page, table of contents. I'm not going to use forward. I'm going to use preface because I want to talk about it myself. I'm going to use introduction, possibly. I'm going to use body. That's in the body is now where you have your chapters. I will use conclusion. I'm not going to use appendices. I'm not going to use glossary. If you are writing a paperback, this is unnecessary. I'm not going to use bibliography or references. I'm not going to use index. I will use about the author as well as acknowledgement. But what do I do now? I'm going to press hard on this. Watch me. I click on copy. Now I go to that my private WhatsApp group. I paste it. Watch what I'm doing. You can do anything you like. Now, some things I don't want here. Watch me. I'm going to remove them. I'm going to remove them. Okay? So, I want title page. I want this dedication, table of contents. I don't want this 4 words. I just want to remove them. I want preface, introduction. The body is where I start writing on chapters. Conclusion, I don't need this, appendices, bibliography and all that. So let me take away the whole of this. The whole of this. Just watch. We are close. I'm going to show you something, please. Okay, let me leave this way. You know, when I start building it up on a word processing document or app or whatever, I'll be doing copy and paste. So I'm not going to worry myself over this for now. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I go back to ChatGPT. I want to tell ChatGPT, please give me some topics, standard topics or hot topics. Now, if you are writing an ebook, you may have made up your mind. Maybe you're a teacher, you want to write for teachers. You want to have something on a niche that has to do with education or whatever. Or you want to just write on a general topic. So you want the best of it all. So you're going to tell ChatGPT, please, I want the best of what, and all that. So it depends on what you're going to tell him. So I tell ChatGPT, generate 10 ebook titles on let me talk about relationship and family life of Christians. You see what I want to write? That's what I'm telling this. Generate 10 ebook titles on relationship and family life of Christians. So we'll see what we're going to see here. ChatGPT is going to give us 10 different topics. I will make a choice. I'm going to use only one. Number one, say faithful foundation, navigating relationship in the Christian families. Number two, love, faith and family, building strong Christian homes. Three, sacred bonds, exploring the Christian perspectives of relationships. Four, great fit marriages, strengthening your relationship as Christians. Five, parenting with purpose, raising children in the Christian faith. Six, beyond vows, deepening your connection in Christian relationships. Seven, are anchored in love, Christian family values and practices. 8. Growing together, Christian perspectives on family life. 9. Living in harmony, Christian principles for healthy relationships. 10. Heavenly homes, nurturing spirituality in Christian families. On my own, I'm going to say the wonderful topics. I'm going to choose one. Okay? Okay, as you're watching this, and I'm sure you're already making a choice. Wow, this is good, this is good. Any niche you go to, the system is going to help you. So I'm going to look at, heavenly homes, nurturing spirituality, living in harmony, Christian principles on a healthy relationship, growing together, anchored in love, Christian family values and practices. I want to choose this one. Select test. I choose this number 7. I want to write on it. Watch what I'm going to do. Copy. I made a mistake. I've copied wrongly. Let me do that again. I copied part of 8. It's okay. Thank you. I've copied it. Now, having done that, I go back. I want to tell I've chosen one. So let me tell that GPT again. How many chapters do I want to produce in this ebook? I will tell that GPT, say what? Generate. I want to write 7 chapters of this ebook. 7 chapters for an ebook titled Watch What I'm Writing, anchored in Christian love, Christian family values and practices. Watch what is going to happen now. Remember, I told you that it's just 7 chapters. I don't need more than that. Now, ChatGPT gives me Foundation of Faith, chapter 1, exploring the biblical basis for family values and the importance of faith in shaping Christian households. Number 2, marriage as a covenant. Number 3, parenting with purpose. 4, communication and conflict resolution. 5, servant leadership in the home. 6, this and that. Now, I'm going to copy this. I'll find my chapters. I'll go back to my WhatsApp group. I paste it. I remove this one that says these chapters cover different areas of whatever. I remove it. I've just got what I'm looking for. Now, I'm going to develop each chapter. How do I develop it? One after the other, I go back to ChatGPT. I say what? I tell ChatGPT, look at chapter 1. I say develop this chapter. I want to copy this. Wait. Select text. Copy. Watch me now. Watch what I'm going to do. Copy. I tell ChatGPT. I say develop a comprehensive. Knowing what to tell ChatGPT, the prompt matters. Chapter on this. Watch. I paste that and I copied. I said develop a comprehensive chapter on this. Are you seeing it? Watch. Are you seeing what is going on? Chapter 1, foundation of faith, the origin of family in God's design. Look at a whole, and their scriptures are being quoted. Then biblical examples of family dynamics, family values rooted in scripture, the role of faith in family life, passing of the faith, this and that. This is fully chapter 1. It is enough to make chapter 1 for me. I copy it. Forget this thing coming up and disturbing me. This is my chapter 1. This is superb. In my private WhatsApp group, I write chapter 1. I paste it. My ebook is getting much more than ready. Now I'm going to go to do the same thing on chapter 2. My chapter 2 is marriage as a covenant. Select text. I select chapter 2. Copy. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT, please, generate. I'll tell ChatGPT to develop a comprehensive chapter on this. I paste it. Watch again. I seen it. Chapter 2, marriage as a covenant. Understanding covenant in scriptures, marriage is a divine institution. Just look at number 2. Look at my chapter 2. Wow. This is great. I copy the whole of this. I'm sure at this point, someone already knows what to do. I copy this. So,